entering to the nano world, a new era of manufacturing. Imagine holding the power to manipulate individual atoms, sculpting materials with unimaginable precision. This is the captivating realm of nanomachining and nanofinishing. These technologies are revolutionizing manufacturing. Nanomachining and nanofinishing are like master craftspeople of the atomic world. They deal with dimensions thousands of times smaller than a human hair, unlocking the potential to build incredibly small and complex devices. Nanomachining is like a high-stakes game of molecular Jenga. It involves removing atoms and molecules to create intricate shapes. One such tool is the atomic force microscope, or AFM. Imagine a record player, but with a tiny vibrating tip tracing a surface. Focused ion beam milling, or FIB, uses ions like tiny hammers. Laser-assisted machining vaporizes material with intense beams. Electrochemical machining, or ECM, dissolves material with a controlled reaction. The applications of nanomachining are as diverse as they are impressive. Let's start with the brains of our devices, semiconductors. Nanomachining is crucial for creating the incredibly small and intricate transistors that power our computers, smartphones, and countless other electronic devices. Moving on to the medical field, nanomachining enables the creation of incredibly small and precise medical devices. Imagine surgical instruments so small and sharp that they can operate on individual cells. Or biocompatible implants with intricate surface textures that encourage cell growth and integration. Optics is another field revolutionized by nanomachining. This technology enables the creation of ultra-precise lenses, mirrors, and other optical components with incredibly smooth surfaces. These components are essential for high-performance telescopes, microscopes, and lasers, which help us explore the universe and unravel the mysteries of the microscopic world. From the tiniest transistors to life-saving medical devices and powerful telescopes, nanomachining is shaping the future of technology and pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. Nanofinishing, the art of atomic smoothness. Nanofinishing perfect surfaces, aligning atoms. The goal is remarkable smoothness. Techniques like magnetorheological finishing use magnetic fluids. It's like super smooth, magnetically controlled sandpaper. Chemical-mechanical planarization uses a chemical slurry and polishing pad. It's like a chemical and mechanical exfoliator for materials. Ion beam polishing uses ions to smooth surfaces. It's like a gentle sandblaster that polishes. Section 5. Nano-finishing applications. Perfection in every detail. So where does this incredible smoothness matter? Everywhere. Take optical components, for instance. Lenses and mirrors with nano-finished surfaces are crucial for creating sharper images in telescopes, microscopes, and even high-end cameras. Every photon counts when you're exploring the cosmos or the intricacies of a living cell. Hard disk drives also rely on nano-finishing. The smoother the surface of the disk platter, the closer the read-write head can get to the magnetic data, resulting in higher storage capacity and faster data access. In the world of biomedical implants, nanofinishing plays a critical role in improving biocompatibility. Implants with smoother surfaces are less likely to trigger an immune response, leading to better integration with the body and improved patient outcomes. From the depths of space to the intricacies of our bodies, nanofinishing is enabling the creation of products with unparalleled performance and reliability. It's a testament to the power of precision engineering and its impact on our everyday lives. Section 6. Shaping the future, the enduring impact of nanofabrication. Nanomachining and nanofinishing are not just about making things smaller or smoother. They are about pushing the boundaries of what's possible. These technologies are enabling us to create entirely new materials and devices with enhanced properties and unprecedented performance. Imagine a future with incredibly efficient solar panels that capture almost all the energy from sunlight. Picture tiny sensors that can detect diseases at their earliest stages, revolutionizing healthcare. Envision ultra-fast computers that harness the power of quantum mechanics. These are just a few of the countless possibilities unlocked by nanofabrication. As we continue to explore the potential of nanomachining and nanofinishing, we are embarking on a journey into the realm of the ultra-precise. These technologies are not just shaping materials, they are shaping the future, paving the way for a world where innovation knows no bounds.